All right, this is week 3. Subject is mathematics. Topic is HCF and LCM. HCF stands for highest common factor. LCM stands for lower common multiple. This will be dealing with questions that are in basic 1 and or it's another name for basic 1 is JSS 1. I am strictly following the curriculum of education, and this very topic is in week 3 of first term. This week 3 of first term work. So what it means is that is education online, education on the go, meaning if you miss the class, maybe you are not all right, maybe you've had the class but you don't understand, you can as well come on my YouTube channel and watch them many times, ask questions and feel the feedbacks. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, and click on notification buttons for any of the areas that you will want to look into the more. Now, HCF stands for highest common factor. The method which we're going to be using to solve this one is look for the prime factors of each of the given numbers. The next step is select the prime factors that are common to all the numbers. What it means that look for the prime factor that can divide the value that is given. After you've done that, select them out. Then find the product of these prime factors. Now, this is a question. Find the highest common factors of the following 30 and 24. You saw them separate. So 2 can go in 30, have 50. 2 cannot go again, because if you use 2, you are going to have a remainder of 1. So you use 3. 3 in 15, you have 5. Now, 2 cannot go. So you have to go in a graduation. You have 3, 2, 3. So the next one, prime factors, is 5. 5 in 5, you have 1. So you cannot do anything again. This is the end of this one. Now for 24, we have 2 in 24, we have 12. 2 can still go in 12. You have a 6. 2 can still go in 6. You have 3. 2 cannot go in 3 again, because if it goes there, you are going to have 1 as a reminder. So 3 is the next prime factor. You have 3, then you have 1. Now you go to the next, where write these numbers that you've gotten. In 30, the prime number you've gotten so far are 2, 2, 3, and 5. For that of 24, the prime numbers or prime factors you have there are 2, 2, and 3. Now you select, which is the next one. The next method is select the factors that are common. So you see 2 is common to both sides. 2 is common to this side. 3 again is common to them. So now the next method says find the product of these prime factors. So the selected numbers, you find the product. What it means is you say 2. You don't write 2 double. You just pick 1. So it means this one is like 1. Multiply it by this 2. So the HCF of the whole thing is actually 6. So that's the HCF. That's the answer for this. Let's go to this big one. So for this big one, same method. 340, you start the prime, start from the lowest prime number, prime factor. So you have 2 in this, you have 170. 2 can still go. We have 85. 2 cannot go again. It will have a reminder. 3 equally will have issues. So let's use 5. 5 in 85, we have 17. So 5 cannot go in this to have a reminder. 6 is not a prime number. So and so on. So I think 17 is a prime number. 17 this we have 1. Quickly go to the next one. We have 360. 2 can go in 360, have 180. 2 can go in 180, have 90. 2 can still go in 90. I have 45. 2 cannot go in this, it will have reminder. So you have 3. 3 can go. I have 15. 3 again can go in 15. I have 5. 5 can go in 5. I have 1. If I do that of 140 right now, you can start from lowest prime number. 140 will go, have 70. 2 can go in 70. I have 35. 2 cannot go. So 5 can go. 5 in this, I have 7. And 7 in 7, I have 1. You write them out. So I have 340. The prime number of 340 are 2 times 2 times 5 times 17. I'm actually writing this one here. We have 360 also. The prime factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Then the last part of it is 140. The prime factor of this is 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. So you go to the method we say select the prime factor. So this one is the first prime factor, is common to the 3 of them. This next one also is common to the 3 of them. What is common here again? 5. 5 is common. 17 is not common. 7 is not common. 3 is not common. So what is common here is 5. 5 is common to the 3 of them. So you write them out. What you have selected, write them now. That is 2 times 2 times 5. So if I multiply this thing, I have 20. So the HCF is actually 20. So for this number 3 examples, this number 3 examples that you have here is different from this one. You are not dividing anything. The figure is already there. You just say find the HCF of the following. So the numbers have been given already. What you are expected to do is to find the numbers or the prime factors that are common to 3 of them. You are not multiplying everything. No. You are not finding this method. No. You just find the one that is common to 3 of them. So you have this. This one is common. You have this as common. We have 2 is not common to all this. No other 2 is common. Let's see. I have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So 3 is common to the 3 of them. So I check again. 3 is not common again. Is 5 common? 5 common? No. Is let's see. 5 is not common. Is 11 common? No. 11 is here. 11 is here. But 11 is not here. What about 7? 7 is not in any of them. So the prime factor or the HCF here is simply 2 times 3. So it is actually 6. Now, the second method which I want to show you is the shortest method of solving this. I'm doing something. I'm coming. The shortest something very, very short. This one, you put them together. you put this one together, solution, you put them together, I have 30,24. So you put them together, you look for prime factor that can go into the two of them. Once you start dividing and it got to a level where a particular prime factor cannot divide the two at the same time, just stop it there. That is your answer. So 2 can go in two of them. 2 in this one, you have 15. 2 in this, you have 12. Now 2 can go in this, 2 cannot go in this, but 2 can go in this. So use number that can go in both. 3 can go. 3 in 15, I have 5. 3 in 12, I have 4. Now as it is now, 3 cannot go in both. 5 cannot go in both. So definitely you stop here. You no longer solve again. So if you stop here, so the HCF actually is 2 times 3. You have 6. If you check this answer here, 6 here is similar to what we have here, which is the first, which is this. So this is the shortcut of doing this. Shortcut of doing the previous one we have solved. So once you are dividing and you notice that a prime factor cannot go through the two numbers at the same time, if check cannot go through, just stop it there. So you multiply what you have here, and that's what gives you the HCF. So you can only do this in highest common factor. See you later when we go to our next class, which has to do with LCM, that is lowest common factor, or LCM, lowest common multiple. That's the next class we'll be going into. Thank you for watching. Please once again subscribe and like the video, click on notification buttons, put your comments. Thank you very much. With this class, you will not miss out in your regular class. Even when you did not go to school, you can actually learn via the internet, through my channel. Thank you.